My name's Joe Hottinger. I'm here with my two brothers from Trinity Tree Arbor Care. It's a business we all started together, family business, about a year ago. Also here with other members of the Canopy Climbing Collective and the Tree Expert Bedford. We've all been working on a large willow tree today, so it's in quite a sort of narrow access area. We haven't been able to get trucks and the sort of conventional equipment in that we'd need. So a machine like this with off-road capabilities and quite narrow access has been invaluable in helping us get this job done today. It's quite a large site, so we've had a lot of kit being hauled back and forth across site, and just being able to have this to, get in exactly where we need, winch logs over, all sorts of stuff. We've been able to use it for loads and it's helped us a lot. In this industry, tools they get used and they get pushed pretty hard. So reliability is probably one of the main things you're looking for as an arborist in selecting your tools and your equipment. Obviously, Honda, huge, long-standing in reliability across, multiple machines, and especially this. So huge shout out to Honda today for giving us this product, letting us really put some miles behind it and put it to some serious tough use. The lads have all had fun. All the lads from the Canopy Climbing Collective, the Tree Expert, Trinity Tree. Thanks a lot, Honda. It's been a great day, and thanks for letting us borrow this.